Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 11th Commerce and Science. Friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 5, the aligned planet, the green movement's role. Okay, this chapter was written by Nani Palkhiwala. Okay, Palkhiwala is the writer of this chapter. Okay, what is there in the chapter? Let's see. The following here given one article about notice this expression in the text, infer their meaning from the context. Here given some points regarding to the environment. Okay, so according to this we have to study this lesson. So what is there in this lesson? Let's see in detail. The following article was written by Nani Palkhiwala. Nani Palkhiwala was the writer of this article, and this is one article and published in the Indian Express. Indian Express is a name of a newspaper. Okay, so this article was published in Indian Express newspaper on 24th November 1994. On 24th November 1994, this article was published in the book. The issue that he raised regarding the declining health of the earth and continue to have relevance. Okay, so in this article whatever the writer is there, so he was describing about the issue that was related with the environment. Okay, raised regarding to declining health of the earth. The health of our earth is declining day by day. So this is the main issue regarding our earth. So this issue is described in this lesson. So what is there? Let's see. One cannot recall any moment in the world history which has gripped in imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the green movement, which was started nearly 25 years ago. Before, if we are talk about the 25 years ago, okay, so here writer was start his article with this introduction that if we are talk about the movement of the entire world history, if we are talk about the history of the entire world, whatever the moments were happen into the history of the world, no one can comparison this moment, okay, which was happened in the year of 1972. Before 25 years ago, whatever the movement was start regarding to the green or the environment, you can say. So this movement is called green movement. So it was a start nearly 25 years ago in 1972. The year is given here 1972. The world's first nationwide green party was founded in New Zealand. If you are talk about in the year of 1972, the world nationwide green party, okay, so this is the name of the party which was worked in New Zealand, which was established, you can say founded means established, okay, in the New Zealand. Since then the movement has not looked back. After that the movement didn't look back. So after that this movement took a huge expression, a huge impression regarding to this. Okay, so this is the info about this. Let's see next paragraph. We have shifted one hopes irrecoverably from the mechanistic view to the holistic and the ecological view of the world. We have to shifted one hopes. Okay, we have shift our one hope from where mechanistic view to holistic and the ecological view. We have to shift our view. We have to change our mind to shifting our view of the world. Okay, regarding the world, it is a shift of a human prescription as a relevantary as that introduced by the Copernicus, who taught the mankind into the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. Okay, that we already know about the solar system. The earth is move around the sun, and this was the This invention was given by one scientist whose name was Copernicus. Okay, Copernicus was the one scientist who taught mankind. Who taught mankind means who gave the lesson to the mankind, who gave the information to the mankind in where in before 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. So this information was given by the Copernicus. He was the one scientist. Okay, for the first time in a human history, if you are talk about the human history, for the first time he gave the introduction to the mankind about this invention of that solar system. There is a growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself living organism. Entire after getting the information from him, what people were getting know that, and people were getting the consciousness about the earth and its existence, that earth is also itself a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. We are the part of the earth, that we already know. Okay, so we are the part of a enormous being. Okay, whatever is that, it is earth. It has its own metabolic needs and vital process which need to be respected and preserved. So earth gives us a lot. First of all, we are in the existence just because of the earth. So earth, if you are talk about the earth, it is enormous, means a huge. Okay, and we are the part of the earth, and we are the part of this huge ball. Okay, it has its own metabolic needs. Okay, metabolic needs means physical need. Okay, जिसकी जो शारीरिक जरूरियात होती है, that is called metabolic needs. So earth has its metabolic needs and vital process which need to be respected and preserved. Whatever the process we have to do is related with the earth. To we must have to give respect and we must preserve our earth. Preserve means सुरक्षित रखना, बराबर. हमें अर्थ को क्या रखना चाहिए? We must have to preserve, सुरक्षित रखना चाहिए. The earth's vital sign reveals a pattern in dealing health. Okay, the earth's vital sign means sign का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of sign? निशानी. Okay, reveals the pattern in declining health. उसकी जो health है वो क्या हो रही है? Decline means खराब हो रही है. By day the earth's health is declining by our activities only. We are doing the pollution, just because of that our earth decline. The health of the earth is declining. We have begun to realize that the ethical obligations to be good stewards of the planet and responsible trustees of a legacy to future generations. Okay, so the earth's getting its health as a decline manner. Okay, we have to begin to realize. हमको ये realize होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We must have to realize about, and that is our ethical obligations. Ethical obligation means जो हमारी नैतिक जवाबदारी है. Okay, that is called ethical obligation. तो हमारी नैतिक जवाबदारी क्या है? What is our ethical obligations? Is to be good stewards. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? काम करना चाहिए. We have to good stewards, मतलब अच्छे काम करना चाहिए. We have to do the good works. Okay, for the planet. किसके लिए? For the planet. And responsible trustees, हमें क्या बनना चाहिए? एक जवाबदार. Responsible means जवाबदार, and trustees means मालिक. Okay, owner. तो responsible, we must have to become a responsible trustees. Why? For a legacy of the future generation. जो आने वाली generation है उनको विरासत के अंदर वॉट एवर वी विल गिव इन टू द लेजेसी मीन्स विरासत के अंदर हम वॉट एवर वी विल गिव टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, फॉर दैट वी मस्ट become responsible. Okay, the concept of the sustainable development. Okay, the concept of the sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. This word sustainable development was popular in which year? 1987. By whom? By the World Commission on Environment and Development. By the World Commission Environment and Development was given this word in the year of 1987. In its report, if you are talk about the report of that World Environment, okay, so sustainable development, whatever the report is there, it define the ideas as development that meets to needs of the present. Okay, this is the very important idea regarding to the environment, because our health of the health of the environment is declining day by day. So it is very necessary, it is very important to make the development about the environment, and we meet and needs, we need a lot of improvement into the environment. So this is our present need, without the compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their needs. Okay, whatever the generation will come, okay, so for them we have to protect the environment. For example, without stripping the natural world resources future generation would need. Okay, so this is very big thing of worry, and we must do the work for that. In the zoo, at the here given one example, Lushka, Zambia is the name of a place. In the zoo of Lushka, Zambia, there is a cage where the notice reads. In here given one incident, or you can say here given one example about the protection or the decline the health of the environment. Here given a one zoo, Lushka, Zambia. There is a cage, okay, in that zoo, and notice were there given on the board of the zoo that the world's most dangerous animal. Okay, who was the world's most dangerous animal? Here given inside the cage there is no animal but a mirror where you see yourself. Okay, so we can say the world's most dangerous animal is human being. Okay, why? Because we are destroying the environment, we are making the activities, harmful activities, which is very dangerous for the environment. So we consider ourselves as a dangerous animal to the environment health. Okay, so inside the cage there is a no animal into the cage, but in the mirror where you can see yourself, because you yourself is a dangerous animal. Sorry. Thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in a different countries, a new awareness has not dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. Okay, he has realized the wisdom of the shifting from system based on dominations to one based on partnership. So here given about here they were talking about the environmental health and its purpose. So we must have to become the conscious about that, and we must realize about, we must have realized, and we must getting the wisdom to shifting from the system, because we are adopting the system to destroy the environment just because our selfishness nature. So okay, so selfless, we are self-centered people, we are self-centered human being. Just because of that we are damaging the environment. So whatever the dominations, okay, to one based in our partnership, without our partnership it was not happen, it will not possible to get the benefit for the environment. Scientists have categorized about 1.4 billion living except with which mankind share the earth. Okay, if you are talk about the scientists have categorized about the 1.4 million living species which with which mankind share the earth, because we can say that on the earth जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है उनके अलावा instead of the human being 1.4 million living species are living on the earth surface. कैन यू इमेजिन 1.4 मिलियन जो है वो हमारे अलावा भी दूसरे जो है वो अर्थ को शेयर करते हैं. सो दे आर ऑल्सो सर्वाइंग ऑन द अर्थ एंड दे आर जस्ट डिपेंड ऑन द एनवायरमेंट. ओके, here given the information about that as estimates vary widely as regards the still uncatalogued living species. Biologists reckon that about there to 100 million other living species still languishes unnamed into the ignominious darkness. Okay, if we are talk about the other biologist reckons that जो दूसरे बायोलॉजिकल रिकॉर्ड्स है उसके अंदर कितने यहाँ पे हियर गिवन द नंबर अबाउट दैट के 100 मिलियंस दूसरे जो स्पाइसिस है अदर जो स्पाइसिस है वो तो अभी अननेम्ड है. देयर इज नो इंट्रोडक्शन वाज अबाउट देम. सो दिस इज वेरी important information regarding the earth. One of the early international commissions which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment was the Bandit Commission, which had been distinguished Indian as one of its member, Mr. L.K. Jha. The first Bandit report released the question, are we to leave our successors to secure planet of advancing desert, improvise the landscape and align the environment. Okay, here given one information, one of the early international commission. Okay, if we are talk about the international commission report, the inter alias report with the question of the related with the ecological environment. Okay, the question was given in that report is related with the ecology and environment. They were asking Mr. L.K. Jha, the first branded report released this question, that which question they were asking, are we leave our successors to secure the planet of advancing desert. Advancing desert means जो desert बढ़ते जा रहा है, just because we are harming the environment, we are harming the forest, we are not getting the proper care about the forest, we are not becoming the serious about the rules which were made by the government for the protection of the forest. So desert are increasing, we can say advancing. जो आने वाली जो generation है उसके लिए जो whatever the landscape we were putting down, okay, हम जो रख के जाने वाले हैं whatever the landscape were there for the future generation, it will be desert only. तो is that not our responsibility to save the environment, to save the earth, okay, to stop the increasing or advancing the desert? So this question was asking by L.K. Jha. Mr. Lester R. Brown in his thoughtful book, उसकी एक बुक है, in his thoughtful book he were the global economical prospect. The name of the book was global economical prospect. तो मिस्टर लस्टर आर ब्राउन जो है उनकी थॉटफुल बुक के अंदर इकोनॉमिकल प्रोस्पेक्ट के अंदर उन्होंने पॉइंट आउट किया है, ही वॉज पॉइंट आउट दैट द अर्थ प्रिंसिपल बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम्स आर 4. देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ द अर्थ प्रिंसिपल बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम. ओके, फिशरीज, फॉरेस्ट, ग्रासलैंड एंड द कार्पलैंड्स. ओके, फिशरीज ओके जो पानी से रिलेटेड है, फॉरेस्ट से रिलेटेड है, ग्रासलैंड से रिलेटेड है और क्रॉपलैंड से रिलेटेड है. सो क्रॉपलैंड यानी खेती. ओके, सो एंड दे फ्रॉम द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द ग्लोबल economical system, and they are the foundation, I mean they are the based of the economic system. Okay, economic system. In addition to supply our food, okay, for supplying our food, who is helping to us? Vegetation only. Okay, so in the addition of to supplying our foods, there 4 system provided the virtually in a raw materials for the industry except the mineral and petroleum derived the synthetics. Okay, whatever the industries at present are running, all that industry, most of the industries are based on the agriculture, on vegetation, on nature only, because for that industry, for running that industry, whatever the raw material are needed, it was depend on the it was depend only the environment. So we must have to protect the environment, and which are the not environmental related the material is useful for the industry, mineral and petroleum, which was derived from the synthetics. In a large area of the world, human claims on this system are reaching an unsustainable level. Okay, unsustainable level means unchanged level. Okay, humans are claim on the system to the unclaimed level. Okay, a point where there is a productivity is being impaired. When this happens, fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grassland and converted into the barren wasteland. Why? Just because of our activities. We are trying to increase the industrial area, we are trying to destroy by our selfless nature, our selfish nature. Just because of that kind of the activity, we are destroying the environment, we are harm to the environment and the croplands. Detroit in a portion of the conscious and protein hungry world, our fishing is a common every days. Okay, we are here given here writer using the protein hungry word. Okay, जो world है वो किसके लिए hungry है? प्रोटीन के लिए. just because of their overfishing हो रहा है, is a common for every day, that we know. In a poor countries, local forests are being declaimed in order to preserve firewood for cooking. Okay, in a local forest area, in poor country, if you are talk about, they didn't have any fuel for getting the fire. Just because of that, they are cutting down the forest for that cooking purpose and their and other their household purpose. In some places, firewood has become so expensive. Okay, firewood becomes so expensive, what goes under the pot now cost more than what goes inside it. Since the tropical forest is, into the words of Dr. Myers, the powerhouse of evolution, several species of life face existence as the result of the destruction. Here given the information about the one of the greatest scientists, that since the tropical forest is the world of Dr. Myers, he told us that the powerhouse of the evolution, several species of life face the existence and the result of the destruction, and we are getting the एग्जिस्टेंस का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो लुप्त हो रही है जाति, बराबर है, जो ख़त्म हो रही है. इन फ्यूचर वी डिडंट सी दैट काइंड ऑफ द पीपल और दैट काइंड ऑफ द एनिमल्स. सो हमारा जो इसका रिजल्ट ये होने वाला है कि सब कुछ क्या होने वाला है, अंत होने वाला है, डिस्ट्रक्शन होने वाला है. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ आवर एफर्ट to increase the industry and our purpose, our selfish purpose, we are destroying the animals. So for saving that, we have to do a lot for that. Okay, till here we stopped our explanation. Okay, I hope you guys can understand what is there in the lesson. In our next video, we will discuss about the next part and second part of this lesson. Okay, till that, bye friends, take care.